All right, y'all, check it out now. It's cold start. Cold start, I can't pull out. Whoa, look, she put a keys and everything, bro. Ridiculous, bro. Cold start, this thing hasn't been starting in like, how long, bro?
At least a couple months.
This thing hasn't been
3, 4 months.
3, 4 months, man. Gas on, choke on. It's probably ain't got gas. But we gonna try it anyway, y'all.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I know.
What happened here was...
What is it that happened here? Explain it to us. It got flooded?
We got plenty of gas, bro. Hold on, bro. Gas might not be on. Gas is off, bro. Look, put the camera right here, bro.
What are you gonna do?
I'm not even lying off, y'all. Look, y'all.
So let's
now
go
it's
ahead
on.
and open that.
Let's open that and let's see something flow
now. Let's see. Oh, we coming on this end?
See that? See that? Now we got some gold in here.
Ooh.
Now we got gold in here.
We got the liquid gold?
Liquid gold. Now we're gonna make this happen. Let's see how many pulls now. Ooh. Sounds like a winner to me, y'all.
Bear?
She's idling. She's still idle. Bro, come around this side and truck converter. Bro, look how long this hasn't been trunked up though. Look, this hasn't been trunked up for the longest. Bro, she running good.
Yay!
I originally built this bike for my wife, y'all. She don't like it. I probably got to do the carburetor. The carburetor's a little bit dirty. She don't want to ride off choke. When I take off choke, dive down. Carburetor dirty.
It's a dirty carb, y'all.
Carburetor's dirty though. Hey, she hasn't been drunk up in the longest. You know what? She's having a effect though, guys. That means we're back. That means we got a survivor to build. How we do it? Stay tuned, China Cowboys.